How to unblur likes on Tinder for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on HitPaw AI Studio. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the process of hiding your likes on Tinder in 2 ways. Before started, I hope you guys can be sure to subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. That means a lot to us. So let's jump right in. Method 1. Using a Chrome extension to unblur likes on Tinder, which is called a Violentmonkey. Search for Violentmonkey on Chrome and open up this extension, and you can click on Add Extension and add it to your Chrome browser. Once the extension has been added, click on the Extension tab on the top, and then click on Violentmonkey. Click on Settings. Now inside of this, click on the plus on the top. Click on Install from ORL, and then paste in this. This is bit.ly script Tinder 2022. Enter in the link, click on OK. And it's going to take you to a new section where you just need to click on Confirm Installation. Once text script has been installed, you can now open up in your com. Click on your likes. And after you wait out a couple of seconds, the profiles of the people who like you on Tinder will be visible. So that's the exact process on how to unblur Tinder likes without having to buy the premium price. Method 2. Unblur likes on Tinder with code. Here we have a code. You can copy past it, follow my steps, and then you can do it like me. This is the code that you can copy it, and use it on Tinder. Without any risk for your account, without freedom, nothing. I already did it many times, and it was okay. I'm gonna leave the Tinder code, this code, in the description below. Then you will find it and use it. Just please subscribe, like the video, and comment below any question you have, or any something that you needed. I'm gonna press OK, inspect. Then go to console and then press on Ctrl V. Then press on Enter. I mean best a good. And then we will wait for you. Yes, this is the way that you can do it. I'm gonna leave the code below the video, and then you can see what you can do. In addition, if you want to blur some photo but not in Tinder, here I recommend you another AI tool called HitPaw Photo Enhancer, and that's how it works. The free download link is put on the description. Download and launch it. And I'll show you how to use it now. Drag the photo that needs to be enhanced here. After importing photos, we choose an AI model. Choosing the appropriate AI according to your picture type can make the effect better. You can also try different AI models to preview, and choose the one you think works best. Hover the mouse over the model, and there will be a detailed introduction to the model. As this is a portrait photo, we can choose a face model. In Output Settings, here is an Accelerate option. If turn it on, it will improve processing efficiency for higher resolution images, but it may slightly affect the quality. So if you're not in a hurry, it is recommended to keep it closed. In Resolution Settings, you can choose the resolution you want to output. The higher the resolution, the better the quality of the photo. With the same photo, size and memory will also get bigger. You can choose the size that suits you most. Here I will choose 400%. Let's click to preview the effect. The rendering process takes about a minute or so. Here we can notice that the face of the person in the photo is much clearer. At the same time, the face mode also comes with a beauty effect. The skin of the character becomes smoother. There is also more subtle. Let's try to fix an old black and white photo again. Click on this Replace Image above. Select another photo. Let's try to colorize model. Same output setting and preview. The old photo turned into a color photo. But the face in the photo is still blurry. In this situation, if you add a face model, the photo will be much clearer. So we export the photo with colorized model mode first. Then import the colored photos and add them to the face model. In this way, this black and white, blurred old photo is restored into a clear color photo. Though this is a bit inconvenient, but the result is quite satisfying. Unfortunately, the next version of HitPaw Photo Enhancer will support overlaying other AI models on the colorized model. Meanwhile, if you have a lot of photos to fix, HitPaw Photo Enhancer also supports batch repairing photos. Just click the Choose Images button on the first page. Hold down Shift and then select. All the photos clicked by the mouse can be imported. After importing, you can also delete photos or add more. Then select the appropriate AI model and export setting. Then export. HitPaw Photo Enhancer is easy to operate and works well. This is good for beginners who want to quickly fix or enhance the quality.